people, today I have the Bath and Body Works Princess Collection. I am late to the game because your girl's never gonna pay full price for these. So I waited for them to have a really good sale and be able to use a coupon code. So I paid, I think it was like $6 or $7 for each one of these. To me, I will never pay like the $16 to $18 full price for a Bath and Body Works. It's just not in me to do so. But let's go ahead and get started. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. I do beauty videos, fragrance, fashion, the whole 9 yards, mommy videos. You can hit that little red button. Also, if you hit like, comment, share, that really helps my channel as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. I will have timestamps down below for each one if you're looking for a particular one. I'm gonna start off with Cinderella. I have her little shoe right there. As soon as I saw this collection, I knew I needed it because your girl's a Disney girl. If you guys don't know, I actually have an Instagram dedicated to Disney. I wish I posted more on there, but I just post whenever I can. But I am just a Disney girl through and through for life. So when I saw this collection, I was like, yes. So Cinderella is this beautiful blue bottle. It has these flowers around it, and it has her silhouette, of course, here in the front. The scent is kind, optimistic, and hopeful is the way they describe it. And the notes are gardenia petals, enchanting musk, and sapphire blue amber. And it says magical things can happen if you believe in yourself. So let's go ahead and get into this one. I love when companies do like details that are, you know, oriented to a brand. So I love the fact that they added, you know, like her kind, optimistic, hopeful, and then they added like a cute little quote. So this is pure gardenia. This reminds me of the old school first perfume that Kim Kardashian, I don't know why I said it like that. The black bottle that Kim Kardashian came out with. I don't remember if you guys remember. I'll try to find a picture of it and put it around here. I loved that perfume. And this smells just like it. This is pure gardenia. You can smell like mainly the gardenia. I don't really have the musk or amber in here. The gardenia is like really potent and strong. I absolutely love gardenia. So this is a like really great one for me. Next up, we are doing Ariel. Ariel is in this like seafoam green looking with shells around it. And each one of them have their signatures. And I love that they have like their authentic signatures. If you don't know, each like cast member has to learn how to sign their name like a particular way. So I think that that is super cute, like that little detail. On the back it says curious, explorer, independent, and the fragrance notes are sea salt, breeze, golden citrus, coral waters, and it says create a world you want to be a part of, which is a play on her song Part of Your World. And let's go ahead and spray it. Okay, I can tell that this is not going to be for everyone. This is very much like that kind of like watery sea salt vibe. I can even see this being like a little bit like unisex because a lot of those kind of watery notes tend to be unisex. Yeah, but I really love this. It just kind of reminds me of like, and I've said this before on some watery type of like notes like this. It kind of reminds me of like when you're on a ride at Disney and they spray like that smell to make it seem like the water smells. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. This happens a lot like in rides like Soarin' where you're going through the air and then all of a sudden you're like above the water and you get that sniff of water smell to it. This is what that smells like, but in a good way. So even now with the dry down, I kind of get a little bit of the citrus in there, but it mainly smells like that. Like if you're just like in the water at the beach, like just like aquatic, completely aquatic. So really nice. Next we have Belle, And Belle is yellow, and of course she has a golden dress in the movie. It has her silhouette, her signature, and then we have these roses, you know, that the Beast has a rose garden, and then we have some little diamonds around here as well. On the back it says compassionate, intelligent, and genuine. And the fragrance notes are rose petals, sparkling buttercup, and whipped vanilla. And then it says open your heart to new adventures. And I'm thinking that the smell is kind of like a mix between like the rose garden that he has, and also like, because you know, like the Be Our Guest and like the food in the movie has a lot to do with it. Oh, my little thing, like I killed it. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like roses, but almost gourmand at the same time. I love the mix of it. So you can smell roses, but not like that old school roses. Like, you know, when your grandmother had like my grandmother always used to have like rose water. So it doesn't smell like rose water. It's like a more sophisticated rose. And then the buttercup and whipped vanilla really mixed in there. So it's like roses, but just a touch of roses with a lot of like vanilla and gourmand in it. So, oh, I really like this. I think if you're a gourmand vanilla lover, you'll like this. It doesn't smell like too much of roses where it's like, you know, a lot of people, I feel like when they think of roses, it's like that quote unquote old lady smell. This smells really, really good. Next we have, apparently a lot of people have said that this one's one of like the cult favorite. I didn't listen to anybody's like reviews on these because I wanted my own opinion first. I tend to do that a lot when I know something I'm gonna buy or I want to try it out, because I don't want it to mix into like my opinion. So Moana has been supposedly like a top seller. We have Moana, and then she has her little pearls around here, and then we have kind of like that tropical flower. It's a really coral kind of color, and it says driven, adaptive, and independent. The fragrance notes are lush green palms, palmaria breeze, and coconut water. And it says go against the current and make waves, because we know our girl Moana made some waves and went against like her family, you know, going into the water. Oh, this is like tropical island. I'm in Puerto Rico, chilling on vacation. One day living there. Oh, I love this. If you're into tropical type of smells, I feel like you're really gonna like this. It's like the whole mixture of like, I feel like they mixed well the floral with the palms and the coconut in here. In its totality is just vacation vibes. But not in that sunscreen coconutty way, more in like a floral beautiful way. But absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad like I'm not put off by any of these so far. Next up we have Miss Jasmine, and this one is a beautiful teal color. And on the back it says daring, confident, adventurous. Her fragrance notes are sparkling jasmine flower, jeweled currants, soft woods, and it says be free to create your own world, which is super cute. It's like a play on A Whole New World from the movie. If y'all can't tell, Mama's watched every single Disney movie basically. And this one is not as floral as the other ones. This one is definitely very woody. Yeah, it's super woody. So if you like more of a masculine type of smell, this one is going to be for you. I don't feel like this one's going to be one of my top favorites. I like more of the other scents. I'm more into like more feminine, fruity. So very woody, very light on the flower scent. So very, very woody, very masculine. I'm surprised. I don't know what I was expecting for Jasmine, but I still like it. Not my top favorite, but it's okay. And last we have Princess Tiana, and I do like the fact that they kind of mixed in like classic princesses with new princesses. Like we have Cinderella, but then we also have Moana and Tiana. So I like that. I do hope that they continue this. I would like them to do a villains line too. So Tiana is talented, passionate, and a dreamer. It says the notes are delicate water lily, gilded amber, and shimmering bayou woods, because she's from Louisiana. And it says the world you want is almost there. You just have to create it. So really, really cute. And she has like little sequins as well as the water lilies. Oh, and I forgot to show the one from Jasmine. She has kind of like this Moroccan type of vibe to the picture itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and spray Miss Tiana. Oh, wow. I really like this one. This one is like, you can feel the amber. The wood smell is very, very light on here. It's mainly the water lily. Oh, the water lily and the amber, which I love amber. This one is very nice, very soft. And I love the water lily like smell. It's kind of like very fresh. So really like that one as well. I have to say I really like all of them. The one that I like the least, if you couldn't tell, was the Princess Jasmine. Just because woody smells are not my vibe. But overall, I really like this collection. I hope that they expand to other princesses because your girl's gonna get them all. And if they do a villains line, I hope Bath and Body Works hears my prayers. But let me know if you guys picked this up. Which one was your favorite? Which one was your least favorite? I'd love to hear from you down below. If you're not subscribed, you can hit the little red button. I have socials down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.